So guys, you actually have USDT inside your Web3 wallet, OKX Web3 wallet, and you actually want to convert it to another coin, maybe toncoin or BTC. You don't know how to do that. I'm going to actually show you exactly how you can do that inside this video. So I'm going to be converting USDT to toncoin inside this video. So ensure you watch this video from beginning to the end. And for the purpose of most of the beginner that doesn't know how to actually fund their OKX Web3 wallet, I have a video that I've made concerning how I transfer from Bybit to Web3 wallet, which is the OKX Web3 wallet. I'm going to link it down inside this video description for you to watch. So let's assume that you already have USDT inside this particular Web3 wallet. So you are going to click on it, which is the USDT, which is about 4.7 USDT. So we are going to be converting this particular amount to toncoin. So all you have to do is to click on this swap button. Click on this swap button, and it's going to load up a page for you to actually convert it to toncoin. As you can see, the total amount I have is 4.7 USDT, which I can be able to convert to ton. So, and if I want to do that, I can actually click on here, then enter the amount of ton I want to convert. So let's assume that I'm converting 4 USDT to ton. But the problem with this method is the fact that it doesn't really work most of the time because of the fee. It's not really updated. So I will advise you click on this advanced option over here. Click on advanced option. As you can see, you are going to get the current rate and the exchange, which is the OKX DEX, which is the best rate for the fee, and they're going to charge you 0.55 for this particular transaction. So let's assume that you are like transferring like maybe five, let's say I think I have four USDT. So as you can see, this is the amount I'm going to be getting equivalent to ton. So and the fee is going to be 0.55 for this particular transaction. So you are going to click on swap via OKX deck. So and this particular money is going to be converted from USDT to ton. So due to the fact that I don't want to do the swapping right now, I will actually cancel transaction and do it later whenever I need this particular money. So I hope this video actually help you out. If you do, kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I'll be able to see more video like this on my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye.